Hello, my name is Simón Peldoza from the 3rd grade of the Gaia Forest School. This experiment is related to global warming, and to perform it we will need 3 transparent plastic drums, to which we will cut the top part, 2 glass beakers, 4 environmental thermometers, 1 roll of cling film, water, a recently opened soda, plasticine, and scissors. To begin, we will make a base for the thermometers with plasticine, placing them on top of it and folding what is left on the sides to give them more stability. Once this is done, we will stretch the roll and put the drums behind it in order to calculate how much cling film we will need for each one. Drum number 1 will be the control and will only contain the thermometer. Drum number 2 will contain a glass of water and the thermometer. Finally, number 3 will have a glass of soda in addition to the thermometer. The next step is to place the glasses in their places and fill them with the same amount of the corresponding liquid. We will place the elements inside the drum as follows. Then we will cut the plastic, taking into account that we have enough left to seal all the cans. This will be our next step. Finally, we will place the 4th thermometer in the open air and wait for an hour. This is a part of the time-lapse I made during that time. The final results of the temperatures were: the thermometer that was outdoors marked 26 degrees, control was 32 degrees, water was 33 degrees, and soda 35 degrees. What is the reason for the temperature variations? There are several reasons. By exposing the drums to the sun, we're supplying them with light energy, a large part of which is absorbed by the internal surfaces, increasing their temperature. The same happens with liquids, but these also evaporate, accumulating the gas inside the drum. When objects are hot, they release the energy acquired in the form of infrared radiation that we perceive as heat. This radiation is generally dissipated, but the molecules of certain gases that float inside the drums, with water and drink, trap a large part of the heat. These gases are called greenhouse gases. They have that name because the greenhouses keep the heat by retaining the radiation within its walls. But why is the temperature higher in the drum with the glass with drink than in the glass of water? It is so because the bubbles contained in the soft drink correspond to carbon dioxide, being this one of the main and best known greenhouse gases, along with water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane, and ozone. When the soda contains water and bubbles, H2O, vapor, and CO2 is released, being greater heat retention than only with water or nothing at all. The greenhouse effect is one of the main causes of global warming, but is positive in itself, because the greenhouse gases present in the atmosphere maintain part of the radiation emitted by the Earth's surface, stabilizing the average temperature of the planet during the cycles of day and night, which allows the development of life. The problem comes when, due to human activity, a very high concentration of these gases is generated, causing an increase in the average temperature of our planet, such as what happened with the drum with the glass of drink. In conclusion, it is important to develop more ecological habits, such as walking, using bicycles, preferring recyclable products, etc., in order to reduce the emission of greenhouse effect gases and contribute to slow down global warming.